Breaking news! A Roomba just announced it's running for president. The crowned candidate. Today we settle this, once and for all. Hold on! Are humans officially unemployed as leaders? Humans are the mess. Sometimes they lose to geometry. Yeah, geometry. Just watch. Poor little guy. Can't win. But leadership isn't just cleany. And humans lose to Wi-Fi. Consistency test. Roomba, every single day. Human, 5 more minutes. Point, Roomba. Humans give cuddles. Roombas give trust issues. Humans make plans. Roombas map the entire kingdom. That's strategy. Catnip is essential for our well-being.
Nonsense.
You chase illusions! Catnip is real! Gentlemen, please, let's stay civil. Welcome to Podcast Talks. Let's discuss. Human, explain your policies. Well, we focus on equality. And for cats, be specific. Humans make plans. Roombas map the entire kingdom. That's strategy. Humans control electricity.
Roombas fear the red bar.
One finger and it's over.
This is Ray is wrong!
Humans debate, Roombas execute. Silence builds empires. Great leaders don't rule, they serve. But if cats ruled, there would be no mess. Because humans wouldn't exist. Wait, did that Roomba just wink? Subscribe before the Roombas take over. AI Cat Podcast, observing humans patiently. Team Human or Team Roomba? Defend your leader in the comments. The debate is on.